Top of the morning, ladies and gents. Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market has had a really bloody last 24 hours because of the CPI data, and we want to talk about it and analyze everything that's going on right now so you guys know whether you should be buying, selling, holding, adding to your positions, closing your positions. It's all going to happen right here, so stick around, guys. Let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we are right here on CoinMarketCap. I just wanted to quickly show you guys Bitcoin is currently down 6.51% in the day. Ethereum only down 3.9%, but many other tokens down substantially, and some momentum tokens. At the end of this video, I'm going to break down 3 tokens that have a lot of quick bullish pump potential that are down quite substantially that maybe we could all make a little bit of money quickly off of. So let's get right into this. So if you come on over here to TradingView, I have this pulled up over here for Bitcoin. We were in this bullish uptrend. We were actually gonna continue pumping if everything went good with the data. This was gonna break out and we were gonna have massive pumps. I know you guys were hearing about that online. That's what was supposed to happen, but because of the bad data, I guess inflation is worse than we would have thought or than it should be, and the Fed is going to raise rates next week by the most that they've ever have or have in a very long time. So that spiked this right here. Everybody got scared and sold and then sold and then sold until we came back here to slightly, actually if you look at this is like back here where we were. What is that, 1 week ago? We're back where we were 1 week ago, but you see after that 1 week we dumped, and then we had this big rally for like 4 days here before we had this massive drop here. This massive drop of, let's say, 12%. I would say Bitcoin dropped, because I didn't even get the top of the candle there. It was probably close to 13%. We saw Bitcoin actually drop, which is pretty substantial, guys. 13% for Bitcoin to drop in a matter of, what was that? It didn't even take the whole 11 hours. I took 2 extra candles, so 9 hours Bitcoin dropped by that much. I mean, that's quite a lot, guys. Nonetheless, I don't believe that this is a sign of a downtrend or the end for crypto. Like I said, this is CPI data. This is inflation data for all of the markets. The stock market came down too. So what I saw this as is an opportunity for people to buy in, people that would have been missing out up here because a lot of the nicer coins were pumping already. So now with this coming down so much, we saw some of our nice coins dump by 15-20%, and we're going to get into that because I have a couple of them I'm going to show to you guys and recommend. Not financial advice, but you know, I like to share what I'm getting into so you guys have a better chance in the markets instead of buying total meme coins. So you could do this one back here going upward, and you could do this one down here. This is still an uptrend, so I wouldn't be too concerned, guys. I would be looking for buying opportunities in different coins here, guys. So I promised you guys I would break a few coins down here, some of my momentum picks that pump pretty hard, pretty fast, in a short amount of time, but have dumped quite substantially. One of them being Polygon. Polygon was just pumping pretty hard over here. Polygon pumped all the way up here to, let's say this was like 94 cents, and we're back down to 85 cents. So this has had like about a 10% drop. If we want to look here, this puppy is going up little by little over a period of time. This trend is going upward, and so you see we had another one of these dumps. It's always like a pump followed by another dump. We had our pump and then we have our another dump, but this happened earlier too. You could see this 3-month uptrend. This thing actually hit over $1 already. So seeing this thing back at 85 cents and having an opportunity to get into a really solid project. Polygon's a really solid project, guys. So if you get in at a price like this and watch this thing rally another 15-20% in what could be the next month, because look at the 3-month chart. This is an uptrend on the 3-month chart. And not only that, if you guys wanted to look at where Polygon was once before, Polygon was over $3 a coin. It's hard to get the top here. I'd rather just look at it here. $2.92, guys. Polygon hit $2.92. So this is looking like a 3.5x if you guys held it to all-time highs. But I'm not even saying that. I'm just saying if you were looking to scalp some quick gains here, you really could probably scalp some quick gains over the short term within the next month or so on this project. Alright, moving on to my next pick. Picking something a bit smaller, down 7.7% in the past day, is apecoin. This is one of those coins that likes to move quite a little bit at a given point in time, and we're sitting at $5.05 right now. Looks like it hit almost $6 yesterday. This thing was almost at $6 yesterday, and it's at $5 today. So no-brainer math. If you put 5,000 in, and this thing went back to what it was at yesterday, you guys would have almost 6,000. That's $1,000 gain that could happen in like a couple days. And if you wanted to look at the 1 year, this thing has hit $39.40 in the past year. So we're looking at, what's that? Almost 8x. That's an 8x to the all-time high. If you guys want to look at it on the chart, it happens like this. So you have your little rallies up until you get your massive pump up. And as you know, we've been in a massive bear market. I mean, it's sad this coin only got out and pumped in the middle of this bear market, basically. Because this is the all-time. This is as long as it's been out. It's only been out since March of this year. So this coin had its birth in the middle of the bear market, guys. And it's only a 1.5 billion market cap. So if it has any pump potential, I mean, like, you got to think that for this thing to double in price, you only need 1.5 billion in there. You know, like, to add 1.5 billion extra to add to what it has, as opposed to something up here. Like, I always compare everything to Dogecoin, because Dogecoin's an 8 billion market cap, and everybody wants Dogecoin to hit $1, but this is 8 billion. You know that apecoin can almost go back to its all-time high with the market cap of Dogecoin. It's serious, guys. But yeah, so what do we have? We have Polygon, apecoin, and I'm going to reiterate the Solana pick, because the Solana pick, after I recommended it to you guys a couple days back. Like, I think it was like the 8th or something. Because I recommended it at 34 bucks, and then it rallied all the way to like 39, and you guys could have took some serious profits. Like, I'm talking, like, if you guys would have bought when I recommended and then sold at this high rate here, you guys could have scalped a 15% profit. And then not only that, bought back in with a larger position with all your profits. That 15% could have gotten added to your new position of Solana, because Solana does love to pump, and it did suffer the correction. It suffered dearly. It's down 7.2% in the past day, and probably, you know, I wouldn't say more during the week. Look at this. It's actually up on the week. But Solana's always been one of my favorite picks. I mean, I love Solana. It's a great token. It always has its pumps and then its dumps. Its pumps and then its dumps. It had its pump right here. After I recommended it, you guys could have got in. Now it had its dump. You guys know what's coming next. So, not financial advice. None of these coins are financial advice, but I believe very strongly on these coins. At least both Polygon and Solana. I am not invested in apecoin. It looked like a good scalping pick for short-term profits if you guys do your own research and have the money to invest. You always have risk. Anything you invest in, you always have risk. But let's look at this here one last time. Let's look at the fact that Solana hit $258, guys. $258, and this is a blockchain. This is the real deal. This is like a real project that's got real utility to it. 33 bucks. We're looking at, what is that, like almost a 90% discount, probably about an 88% discount, I would say, guys. If you guys would long term it, if you guys would just hold it long term. But I'm saying, if you guys want to scalp for profits, if it was just at 40 bucks yesterday and it's at 33 bucks today, this is also a no-brainer, because this was just fear, guys. Nothing even actually really happened. Like, the Fed didn't even raise the rates yet, and we don't even know exactly how much they're going to raise them by. So this is all FUD, in my opinion, right now. And so there's always money to be made around people's emotions. When people panic sell, there's money to be made for us. I hope this helped you guys. definitely check out some of these picks, or just check out the market as a whole, because there's a lot of other coins in here that I didn't mention, that are down a lot during the day. Litecoin is down 7% over the day. Monero's down 5%. Terra Classic 12%. But anyway, I'll leave this short. I'll let you guys go. I'll let you guys do your own research, check some stuff out. Keep your eyes on the market and be smart. Don't panic sell. Don't get scared, and don't act on your emotions. It's okay. We're in this for the long haul, and it's going to be okay, guys. I love you guys lots. I hope you got value. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and check out my Patreon, guys. I love you lots. Take care.